Let's fucking do this.
It's here. It's here. It's here. I finally have it within my grasp. I want to taste it.
Y'all think I'm big bullshit. I thought to myself earlier, I almost don't want to open this, but then that would go against everything. Maybe later in the future I'll actually buy a some kind of edition where I just leave it in the box, because this is, regardless of what anyone says about this game, this is a really good Dragon Ball Z game. And for those that know me, know I am in love with Dragon Ball Z. And I've yet to, like, I don't know, I feel like I've yet to fully show the extent, like, the full expression of that love. But I'm not, that's too intimate. We'll have to get to know me better. We'll have to get to know each other better. But this is beautiful. One thing though, as you can see right here, it's I'm trying to see, it looks weird on the viewfinder, it looks backwards, but I'm pretty sure you can see it. This is day one edition. I'm more than positive, not only just me, I'm not going to be vain and conceited, because I did pry for information about this, and I seen that elsewhere. GameStop told a lot of people, at least GameStop told a lot of people across places, like all over, that if you pre-ordered the day one edition, you get access to the day one beta. And that was only true if you pre-ordered the game digitally or in Europe. But if you're in Europe, select stores in Europe, and not even available for the Americas at all. Like, if you pre-ordered through the disc, you're just fucked. But in the EU, it was only a select amount of stores, and for some reason, like, they actually marketed this game as that back then. But that's neither here nor there. I honestly, none of that fucking matters anymore. It doesn't, because I have it here. Let's open it. I'll open it and see what this does. I wanna take the plastic off and open the case. It smells like new game, for those that are familiar with the new game smell, and you should be. You should always familiarize, however you say that word, yourself with your console's food. I'm gonna open this and see what happens. Oh!
You ever get the feeling something really bad is about to happen?
So beautiful! You fools! You've messed with the natural order!